Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBud143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to create a story on our Facebook account. Suppose you want to share your best moments in your life or adventures you made only for 24 hours. No need to post them on our timeline. Instead of this in Facebook, we have an excellent way to share such moments by creating a story so that it will be visible to selected audience for 24 hours and automatically it will be hidden after 24 hours. Log into the Facebook. In Facebook homepage on top we will get story section. Here we will get the story shared by us and our friends depending on our privacy settings. To create a story, click on create a story showing with our profile picture, or click on the arrow showing in right side of the story section and click on plus sign next to our profile picture. Here we can create a photo story or a text story. First I want to create a photo story. Then it will open the file upload window. Browse the picture you want to add into your story. Click on open. Select the photo to get options for cropping and rotate. To crop the additional space, click on plus or minus signs and rotate it into the desired direction by clicking on rotate. And on top, if you want to add some text, click on add text in left column. Select a suitable font style and its color and start typing. And if you want, we can select another color. Similarly font. And finally we can select the privacy settings for our story. Click on the gear icon showing on top. Select a suitable setting with whom you want to share this. By default it will visible to friends, and you want to hide this from specific people in your friends list. Click on hide story from and select the friends from the list. After that click on save. One thing remember that this story will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. These settings does not apply to live videos we share to our story. And click on save. After composing our story, just click on share to story to publish it, or click on discard to stop the story to publish. Similarly, let's create a text story. Type the text you want to show and select the text style and its background color. And apply the privacy settings. Click on save and finally click on share to story to publish it. I want to discard this. Are you sure you want to discard this photo? Your photo will not be saved. Okay. After this, if you want to view your stories, click on your story and we can view all the stories by clicking on left and right arrows. Like this we can create a story on our Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.